Good morning and welcome to my FinTax Chronicles for today, 6 June 2025. Economic Outlook. India seeks tariff relief. India pushes US to remove 10% tariff on labor-intensive exports in BTA. India invests in maritime. India commits $20 billion to maritime infrastructure and trade facilitation. State reform milestones. States to get budgetary incentives for urban, mining and land reforms. Legal developments. HC acts on stampede. Karnataka HC takes suo motu notice of IPL event stampede killing 11 people. Biju's creditor dispute. Biju's co-founder contests Glass Trust's creditor claim in NCLT proceedings. Banking and finance. Flipkart gets NBFC nod. Flipkart secures RBI NBFC license to start lending directly from its books. Bank staff protection. Centre directs states to legally safeguard bank staff from antisocial attacks. Tata Capital IPO nears. Tata Capital's $2 billion IPO gets SEBI nod, listing due before September deadline. Dr. Reddy Alvotech deal. Dr. Reddy, Alvotech to co-develop Keytruda biosimilar for global cancer market. JAL resolution bidders. Adani, Jindal Power among bidders for JAL's 59,000 crore rupees insolvency assets. Corporate finance. Apple Tata repair deal. Apple hands Tata repair business for iPhones, MacBooks in India market. TVS gets new chairman. Sudarshan Venu to become TVS Motor chairman. iQube leads EV sales. Cognizant wins big deals. Cognizant clinches to $500M plus deals in tech and health sciences sectors. Maruti ramps rail use. Maruti to raise rail logistics to 35% by FY31, 24.3% recorded in FY25. Tata Dassault partnership. TESL to produce Rafale fuselage to units month from FY28 in Hyderabad. International affairs. India Central Asia Pact. India, Central Asia to expand trade, counter-terror and connectivity ties. BRICS Forum rebuke. India slams Pakistan's inaction on terror at BRICS Parliamentary Forum. Tax and compliances. Oil duty price cut. Government mandates edible oil brands pass customs duty cut to consumers. Bharat brand discontinued. Bharat brand foods phased out as inflation drops to 1.78% in April 2025. Investments and finance. Jitendra's 855 crore rupees deal. Kapoor family sells Mumbai land to entity for 855 crore rupees, year's top deal. Stride Green raises $3.5 million. Stride Green raises $3.5 million for climate-focused mobility and asset projects. SAIF bags $80 million. SAIF raises $80 million led by UK-based family offices for wealth tech growth. HealthCo's $400 million fund. HealthCo's to launch $400 million healthcare fund targeting AI-led biopharma. Medibuddy seeks $130 million. Medibuddy eyes $130 million pre-IPO fundraise with a Wendus as advisor. Financial markets. Markets rally strongly. Sensex closes at 81,442, plus 443.8, and Nifty at 24,750.9, plus 130.7. Silver hits 1.04L. Silver price surges to 1.04 lakh rupees per kilogram, highest ever recorded in capital. Tea prices jump 18%. Indian tea prices rise 18% January to April driven by West Asia demand growth. Auto ancillary rally. Auto component stocks surge on strong earnings but valuation risks loom. CG Power chip risk. CG Power's chip plant faces risk as Wolfspeed nears bankruptcy filing.